in 2019, we had a vision of starting a skill-based program within RM, and we had in mind different programs which would help students develop life skills. And this is when Hashtag Code came up with the coding program. We thought of partnering with them or having a program which would suit our students. And in 2024, we had a chance of developing this and taking this forward.
We found Hashtag Code really interesting for our kids because they all like doing it so well. They feel confident doing it with the way because of the way it has been designed. So there are a few kids who are hesitant to try something new, or whenever we start something which is a little difficult for them, they kind of get irritated to continue trying for it to solve. But with coding, to our surprise, they're absolutely fine. They're patient, they're calmly waiting, and they're not irritated no matter how long it takes. They're just trying to solve calmly, and they're finishing it and moving ahead.
So as a teacher also, I enjoy teaching the coding modules of Hashtag Code. Coding with Hashtag Code has really helped our children in self-learning skills, and we see them, doing most of the modules independently. Whenever they have a doubt, they ask me, and I try to clear the doubts. And this has given them confidence to work independently in other academic areas also. There was another discovery with one of our kids who was usually under pressure. He used to get overwhelmed and there would be tantrums and all. But we realized with coding, he was able to do it he loved the coding modules of Hashtag Code, and he was independently doing most of the modules. And so we were able to tap this potential in this kid that, okay, if not academics, at least he's doing so well in coding. And his parents were also very happy, and so they are going ahead with the coding modules of Hashtag Code. In fact, some of our kids didn't know, the left hand and right hand and all those things. So we were able to teach them that with the modules, because you could see the output. Whenever they got the output, the feedback was immediate. So they were able to, click on the mouse, and they understood left hand, right hand clicking, then typing, all these things. The coding modules of Hashtag Code helped them with that.
Do you like coding?
Yes, ma'am, I like coding too.
How much do you like it?
Very much, ma'am.
And what do you like about coding? Can you tell us what do you like about coding?
That I'm learning new things very fast. Like I can learn maths very well.
And you are able to do typing also fast
Yes, ma'am.
because of coding?
Yes, ma'am, I can do very fast.
I am Advait and I'm from Aro Foundation. I'm learning coding. With coding can help me create websites and programs. Hang on now. HTML, CSS and practice code when possessing specific elements together, and I'm having very fun doing that. In the future, I would like to become a business like starting a real estate business, and I'm going to code a website for my business.
I'm Annie Matthew. I'm mother of Evelyn Rose. She is 9 years old. She is studying in RM Foundation. I want to see some improvements in my daughter. In the main area is tracking, sitting tolerance, attention. So that time, ma'am recommended about this Hashtag coding program. So we joined. So after that, I can see a lot of changes in her. Sit and concentrate and doing all the activities. She's following my instruction. So I'm so happy to see her improvements in this area.
The child actually moves forward, and you can see the changes in the child in all areas. It's not only laptop usage, it is also about the fine motor changes that we observe with the use of laptop. The use of laptop has helped them to calm down properly and use the communication tools that are available in the classroom. So it is like you develop computer skills or coding skills with Hashtag Code programs. It affects the other skills also, which are very important for the child to be in the classroom or be outside the classroom or be at home also. And I think it has also helped in some of the children using as a leisure tool, which is a very extremely important area, which many of us forget that we need to have a leisure, and this can be a leisure skill for many of them.
We wanted to create an environment where everybody is tagged onto the skills which they have and not to focus on the skills which we would want them to learn. We really like coding, and we are seeing a lot of improvement and interest in our kids in many areas. First of all, the children who were showing less ability in physical movement for activities like typing, they are doing surprisingly so well with coding. They don't display such difficulties in coding. And second, the confidence building. They are able to achieve those steps which are there in coding so quickly that they're very happy and confident about doing it. So the progression, what we are noticing in coding is much higher and faster. And we are very happy to have a tie-up with #Code.